Hello guys, so this is the short PPT about our university and about the scholarship. So let's get started. So in this PPT have 3 points. So who are we? We will discuss about our university and the advantages and how you can apply. Okay, so our university is founded in 1902. It is the first national university in the China. It is also the double first class university in China. The quality about the education is extraordinary. International students ranking in Shaanxi province is the number one. And also we have a scholarship, Chinese government scholarship, Shaanxi government scholarship, and TYUT scholarship. So what is the advantage of our university? So Taiyuan University of Technology is the in the middle of the China. So you can move all over the China. So infrastructure of the Taiwan is very good because this university is located in the capital of the province. And you also have a scholarship. It is also is a advantage for you. And the culture, it also have a very old culture. And also here have a Pingyao is an ancient city. So and also have so many other city country sorry have so many other places you can move here and you can enjoy there. So city, also Taiwan is an old city, you can see, and have a political and cultural center of the Shaanxi province. Campus. So our university have 4 campuses. So you can see. So dormitory, we can see, you can see that the beautiful dormitories, canteen, library. Our library have so many books. Also, you can find the English books. So have multi-level education, master, bachelor and PhD also, and also have the language courses here. So we have both in studying in Chinese, and also we have a program for the Chinese taught. So mostly undergraduate programs in Chinese, and also just 3 to 5 majors we have in English taught undergraduate, while master and PhD in English. So you can see have so many departments, science, engineering, and have a sub departments. Colleges, you can see have so many colleges, so you can choose which one do you want. So if you want to apply on a self, then have this criteria about the tuition fees. So taught in Chinese, and also have taught in English, both with scholarship. So Chinese government scholarship, TYUT scholarship, CIS scholarship, and the local government scholarship. So in Chinese government scholarship, if you're major in this list, mechanical, material, computer, civil, chemical, mining, electrical, biomedical, and textile engineering, then you can also apply in CSE. And the website is given below. You can see on the screen. So we also have, if some students they don't have like good grades, they don't have the good CGPA, then they can get also the B type scholarship, C type scholarship, and also D type scholarship. So also we held here so many activities, cultural activities. So how to apply in the university? So for applying, so you must have your GPA then more than 3.0 out of 4. And if you have HSK, then is also a plus point. If you have IELTS, then is also a plus point. So age is also factor. So you can see that if you are a undergraduate, then your age less than 25, and if you're master, then the 35, and for the PhD less than 50. So degree, for the degree and preparatory visiting scholars, so you must have the passport, your CV, resume, and transcript. If you have HSK arts, then it's also okay. That is a plus point for you to get scholarship. And no non-criminal certificate and degree. recommendation letters, two recommendation letter, financial proof, and the physical examination form. So physical examination you can find on the Google Chinese physical examination form, so you can get easily from there. So these are the materials that are the mandatory. So for the language program, if you want to apply for the language program, then you must have the passport, resume, non-criminal certificate, transcript, physical examination, and the final proof, financial, and also you have a financial your bank statement. So this is the procedure of our university, how we enroll the students. So first of all, you should apply in our university portal. So as you can see on a screen, this is the website. So you just go there and you can apply, you can upload your documents. And the second, you just pay the registration fees. And the third one is the interview. After paying the registration fees, our university will send you an email for the interview. So you must have to pass that interview. So after that, our university will offer you a JW20 letter and admission letter, and then you can apply in your country for your visa, and then you can come here, and after that, you just register in our university. So I hope see you in TYUT in Taiwan University of Technology. Thank you. And in the end, I will also make a new video for you how you can apply on a portal. Thank you.